Good day traders. Bitcoin halving only 6 days and 20 hours remaining. You can see in the Bitcoin price it is pullback yesterday, and also the major coins also down from 25%. Let's see what is the best coins to buy in the bull run. Let's discuss one by one. My first recommendation was the Ripple. It is a good coin with the good architecture and also the good market sentiment and market capital. In here you can see in the coin market cap Ripple. You can see the what is Ripple. Please refer the white paper before you purchasing the coin or anything, and make a background research. Do your own research before buying. According to my idea, these are the best coins will make you rich in the 10x in bull run. First one is the Ripple, and also the second one I is recommending is the Polygon Matic. It is also a good project. You can see in here it is in a pullback now, and also other one is the Litecoin, and also Arbitrum is also a good coin to buy. And my other recommendation is the Athena. It is a very good coin to buy because it is listed 2, 3 or 4 days earlier in the Binance. In here you can see in here Athena is 127 in now, and also it is rise 1.8 1.43 in 2-3 days ago. It is a best time to buy now because of the US CPI data release in earlier week. The market crashed 25%. Most of the coins are crashed nearly 15 to 25%. And the other recommendation coin is the Graph token. Graph, it is a best coin, and also when we compare Jupiter, also a good coin, and also the Beam, the gaming coin, it is better. And also you can see in the market cap, the total supply, and also the coin ranking also, it is a very good project. And also it is circulator supply is also verified by the coin market cap, so you can buy it beams also. And also make a little food. And other is the wormhole is a message transfer protocol used for intercommunication between blockchain. This is a good project, but it is a dump now. Please buy at least $10 wormhole coin and make huge profit in near future. And also other is the OSIS network, and also ROS, and also this is the AI based coin. And also this is a good project because the AI and big data is making world more easy in near future. Please buy at least $10 and hold it for 1 to 3 years. And also other coin I have recommended was the Pixel, the gaming coin. It is a you can earn pixels using by playing the pixel games also. Please refer more information in the coin market and do your own research by reading the white paper also. Another coin I was recommending is the one Harmony coin, and also the other one is recommend is the Stoji coin. And also it is a storage based coin which is used in the blockchain. It is a storage capable of coin which is used to storage. And here you can see clearly in the description, it is a storage cloud platform. Storage is a open source cloud storage platform. It is basically used to decentralized network of nodes to host your user data. This will be 10x in near future because of the invention of the cloud platform and the AI and big data developments. And also other coin I was recommending was the NFE and C plus AI. These are also based on the AI protocols. AI technologies, and also other is I was recommending the bakery token. It is also good token in the bakery app. And do your own research before investing your money. And also other is a fan token is Santos FC fan token. These are the summary of the best coin need to invest in the Bitcoin halving and during the Bitcoin halving, because it is in that time CPI, because the US CPI data market is pullback. And also please make sure to do your own research before investing, and make 100x or 10x in the after 2-3 years in the bull run. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned for profitable videos. Thank you.